Here we have a really nice Jet 14-inch vertical bandsaw. This is a 3-phase model, 1 horsepower. It's got the variable speed step pulley, and it's powered up so you can watch it run. So hit the start button. Currently on its highest speed. It shows you in the graph here the approximate speed. So it's now on its lowest speed. There's the bottom door here. I'll hit the stop button. This unit is just slightly used. I think they cut one small piece of wood with it. For whatever reason, there was a little bit of sawdust on the table here. Not a big deal. It's in great condition. A couple little paint scuffs. Minor scratches on the base, mainly. All the functions on the machine operate very nicely. It includes a spare blade, instruction manual, and a miter gauge for the table. And we thank you for looking at our product.